Hello guys, welcome to Chemistryfied. In this video, I am going to explain you mechanism of polymerization. It is further classified as free radical addition polymerization mechanism and ionic polymerization mechanism. So let's start with free radical addition polymerization mechanism. The initiation by the polymer chain growth is brought about by the free radical procedure by the decomposition of the initiator. Means here decomposition of initiator will give us the free radical. The term chain growth represents a process which involves a continuous and a very rapid addition of the monomer unit to form a polymer molecule or polymer chain. With the increase in number of monomer unit, the length of the polymer chain increases continuously and the chain grows rapidly. Mechanism of free radical polymerization occurs in three steps. Firstly, initiation, secondly, propagation, and finally the termination. Now, let us see the initiation step. Free radical molecule react with the monomer molecule to give us a new free radical molecule. For better understanding, let us consider initiation step in detail. Here, free radical R with a lone pair of electron react with a monomer molecule which consists of a double bond. As we all know that a bond is made by sharing a pair of electron. So, there are two electrons. One electron will transfer to CH2 group and another electron will transfer to CHX group. Now, these two electrons will pair to give us a new free radical molecule which is RCH2CHX free radical. Next comes the propagation step. In propagation step, this new free radical molecule will again react with the monomer molecule to give us a new product to increase in the number of monomer unit. This process of attack goes on continuously which adds to the growing chain one after another. Means again this product will react with monomer molecule to give us a new propagating molecule. This entire process is called propagation, where a new monomer molecule is added to increase the polymer chain. So, in short, it can be written as RCH2CHX whole N, where N is the number of monomer unit added, CH2CHX free radical. Finally comes the termination step. It is further classified as termination by coupling, by disproportionation or by chain transfer. So, let us see termination by coupling. Here, two propagating free radical couples to give us the terminating product. So, as you can see that RCH2CHX whole N1 CH2CHX free radical react with RCH2CHX N2 CH2CHX free radical to give us the terminating product RCH2CHX N1 CH2CHX CHX CH2 CHX CH2 whole N2 R. Next come termination by disproportionation. Here this hydrogen is transferred over here. So, RCH2CHX N1 CH2CH2X is formed and one lone pair and this lone pair will combine to form the double bond. So, it can be written as RCH2CHX N2 CH2 double bond CHX. Finally comes termination by chain transfer. In case of chain transfer, R-H react with the free radical propagating molecule. So, a terminating product along with a new free radical is generated over here. Here the termination of one chain growth and the initiation of the new one takes place simultaneously. Since the chain growth is transferred from one site to another, this process is known as chain transfer. So this is all about mechanism of polymerization. Thank you.